In William Shakespeare's timeless tragedy, Romeo and Juliet, love blossoms amidst the battle rivalry between the Montague and Capulet families. Despite the hatred dividing their houses, Romeo and Juliet fall desperately in love at first sight. Their whirlwind romance leads them to a secret marriage, orchestrated by the hopeful Friar Lawrence, who believes their union might bridge the family feud. However, fate takes a cruel turn when a chance encounter between Romeo and Juliet's fairy cousin, Tybalt Hand, takes revenge, resulting in his banishment from Verona. Separated by an unwanted marriage arranged by her family, Juliet agrees to Friar Lawrence's risky plan. She drinks a potion that will make her appear dead, hoping Romeo will receive word and return to whisk her away. Tragically, a breakdown in communication seals their fate. The message of Juliet's fin demise never reaches Romeo, who instead receives news of her death. Heartbroken and believing Juliet lost forever, Romeo returns to Verona and takes his own life beside her tomb. Awakened to find her beloved Romeo dead, Juliet succumbs to despair and ends her own life. The lovers' deaths awaken the Montagues and Capulets to the horrific cost of their ancient feud. United in grief, the families reconcile, realizing the devastating consequences of their hatred. Romeo and Juliet's tragic love story serves as a timeless reminder of the destructive power of animosity and the enduring strength of love, even in the face of insurmountable odds.